So we got a bobber on. Even this little gulp of line. Just letting it drift around out there. If anything, we're taking. We got a bunch of fry right in front of me. They're all about the same size as that, so figured something should eat it. Little tiny bluegill. Oh, he's not too bad. He's a little too big for the bait I want, but he's a nice little guy. Right there's the spot. A smallmouth. Oh, just came off too. There he is. Some bait. Perfect bait size. Look at the little rock bass. Right there, top of the mountain. Let go. Nice little guy. Down he goes. There he is. On there. Yeah, they like this little lure. Oh, he ripped it off though. Beautiful smallie. And away he goes. Gotta go grab me another one. Oh. There he is. Another rock bass. Come here, buddy. Choked it. Nice little guy. Straight back down he goes. Wouldn't mind getting me a little baby bluegill. I could toss up on this rod as well. There he is, another one. Getting tempting to keep one and use them for chopped, but I'm gonna toss that little guy back. There he is. Oh, wow. What a fish. That's a beautiful fish. Ah, come here, come here. Nice. Very cool. Oh, there's so many of these guys. I'm gonna leave them alone now, but I just want to catch one more. They're such pretty little guys. Let go. There he goes. Another nice little guy. Alright, something's got the bluegill. It's pulling it. Oh yeah, something's totally got it. No, I lost him. Damn, something was pulling it for a bit though. Let's get him back out there. Dang it. See if he's got any marks on him. Oh, he's good and healthy. Weird though, maybe it wasn't his fault. Definitely seemed like it. Back now, full holder. Dang, that really seemed like a fish. I don't know. Interesting. What? We're back out there with it. I'll have the pole all set back up. I missed the hook bet, but got me a little one. Come on. There we go. Get a nice release on him. Back in he goes. And got one. I think it's another walleye. Not as big, but definitely a walleye. He's not bad. He ain't bad. Come on. There we go. That's a good one too. Oh yeah, that's a big walleye. Come on. Oh, get out of them weeds. Come here. Come here. Damn. Come here. That's a good walleye. Holy cow, that's a good walleye. Right in his nose. I might lose him here.
Is that walleye?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice walleye, man.
Thank you. Not too bad.
Definitely. Nice walleye.
Let's get him back in there. There he goes. Swim there and chill for a second. Got him. Oh wow. That's a nice looking fish too. Little like hybrid green sunfish. Look at that. Real nice fish. Back down he goes. So far these Gulp Alive minnows have been pretty good. Caught some bluegill, rock bass. There he is. Little bluegill. There we go. Bluegill, rock bass. Oh, there he goes. Ah, geez, let me finish. Bluegill, rock bass, smallmouth, and walleye. I've been hit by a couple trout, but I haven't hooked them. I'd like to catch a little trout. Alrighty, so we didn't catch anything else today. This is what we were using all day though. Little black jig head. I think it's a 1/64 ounce, and this little, I believe it's a 1-inch Gulp Alive minnow. Nothing on the big rod either, but that's okay. There's always next time. See ya.